What is going on, peeps? So as always, today is my days off, the days I get to edit, record, or even upload some new content onto the channel. So I hope you like this video. Go ahead and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. What's up, guys? Good morning. So this morning we are actually going to go ahead and restore this trim and protect it with 303. So we're actually going to be using a heat gun for this. Check this out. All you needed was this, your heat gun, okay? You can pick up one on Amazon or eBay, and you can if anything start with the lowest setting, so if you're gonna get used to it, then after a while you can. Alright guys, so after the heat guns was used, now we're gonna go use 303 protectant. This is gonna go ahead and protect it and give all the elements that the plastic actually needs. So what happened is that we actually went ahead and warmed up the plastic to a point that we took the oil from the plastic and put it on the outside layer of the actual piece. Now the 303 is gonna go ahead and protect that element from not like cracking or bending or fading, you know. And what I like to use is actually 303. So now after this, we're gonna go ahead and spray this. I just like to go ahead and do it just like that. Or the brush, you know. Using the brush is actually really good and helpful. But right now I'm just showing you, okay? Showing you guys. here's the example of pretty much how it will come out to look, right? Now, what I usually like to do, I would like to do things right the first time. So I will go ahead and like to remove all this plastic stuff. Whew. Just be very careful, as most of this stuff has been there for quite some time. And then just go ahead and start lifting this. Like this. Okay? That way you can go ahead and clean the piece better. And then you could add that 303 underneath, or any type of UV protectant. That way the plastic will go ahead and suck up all those elements, okay? And maintain its purities. And then we'll go ahead and clean this. Alright guys, so this is the car washed, and these are the pieces that are going to be ready to be used by the heat gun so it could be restored. So this is after the wash. As you can see, you know, it does make a big difference. So now we can go ahead and get this work done. As far as here, we're gonna go ahead and try to remove as much as possible with this and redo this. Alright guys, so we're back. We're gonna go ahead and add the 303 protectant onto the plastic pieces. Just keep in mind that this is not harmful to the paint, glass, tire. You know, it is not harmful, as pretty much what you're doing is adding a sunblock to the surface. So you're not doing any type of damage whatsoever. The reason why I'm using this brush is because if I was to use a microfiber towel, I'm removing what I'm spraying. So by you doing this, I'm not removing anything and I'm letting this soak in. Okay? So the main thing is for the plastic to soak all the elements back so it will maintain its purities. Okay, and I suggest about maybe 3 to 4 layers of UV protectant. As the better the plastic remains with all its elements, the more durable it will last. So that's always my recommendation when applying 303. We're gonna go ahead and restore this part right now. So with the same brush, you will see with your own eyes how this will go ahead and restore it. The brush will get in between the nooks and crannies, and no stone is unturned. So